If you're paying attention to the turbo chart on the 4-hour time frame, we were initially moving upward to sweep this previous liquidity here in order to tap into this bearish order block, but we failed to take out the previous liquidity, and now we are getting a rejection to the downside. The trading volume for turbo is up 215% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is up 5%. Price is up 5% as well. Turbo has had a very decent recovery to the upside, trading volume wise, market cap wise, and also price wise. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the fear and greed index, the altcoin season index, and also not to forget the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. Something has really changed on the 4-hour time frame, so we're going to be talking about it shortly as well. We are going to be talking about the orders chart and also the BTC price chart on the 1-hour time frame in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect in the market. So let's head back to turbo real quick. So we need to take out this we need to sweep this liquidity here. Around 0.004193. The moment we are sweeping that liquidity with a huge volume, we should expect to tap into this bearish order block and get a rejection from there. But that rejection is likely to bounce around the zone between 0.0040 and also 0.0042 respectively. We might get a bounce from there. By the way, before we proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. And if you're here to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. So the moment turbo is able to get a bounce from here, take out this liquidity, tapped into this order block, we should expect to see a rejection from that order block zone. As long as the momentum, the trading volume continues to increase, we should very soon invalidate this bearish order block and then get a massive send to the upside on the price of turbo coin. That is what I expect to happen for turbo. And the next resistance to watch out for should be around 0.0050 zone. That is a zone you all should keep an eye on. That zone is very important. So you all should keep an eye on that level, and because we are likely to get a price reaction there. Now, if we are not able to go with this first case scenario, and the market continues to dump, then expect to bid turbo around 0.0034 zone. That zone is a very important area to bid from. This zone. Bid from this zone. If we start getting a rejection from there, this zone is a very important zone to bid from. You understand? Both on the spot market and on the leverage market, if you know what you're doing and if you know how to manage your risks. Let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. We are still waiting for that massive retracement on the BTC dominance. We are currently on the monthly time frame. The BTC dominance is currently around 65.22%. We are left with 24 days and 16 hours until this current indecisive monthly candle closes. We are still waiting for that massive retracement, massive correction on the BTC dominance in order to welcome ourselves officially into altcoin season. Now, if you're paying attention to the altcoin season index, you will notice we are now around 29% for the altcoin season index. By the time, which is still indicated that we are in the BTC index, the BTC season. Now, for we to enter into the altcoin season, we need to see this altcoin season index oscillator begin to make our way to the upside. 75% level for the altcoin season oscillator is a significant area you all should keep your eye on. But you have to use this altcoin season index and also the BTC dominance chart as a confluence in order to get a clearer picture of what to do, when to execute your sell order or your buy order, or when to DCA into your favorite altcoins. Now, I think if the BTC dominance is not able to get the rejection everyone has been waiting for this from this level, then we should begin to make our way gradually to around 71.44%, which I think your best bet will be to DCA into your favorite altcoins, because altcoins are going to bleed the moment the dominance try to make massive move to 71.44%. So DCA is the only strategy that is going to like keep you level-headed and not to like keep you sidelined. The last time the BTC dominance corrected -4%, that was a few months ago, we got a massive rally in the altcoin market. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, some 100, some 200% in a single 24 hours. Now imagine what will happen when we start getting a massive retracement of -10% on the BTC dominance, -20, -30, -40, -47, -39%. Now, historically, the 39% zone is usually the bottom for the BTC dominance, but reverse was the case this time around in this market cycle. I think it's due to the institutional adoption, government involvement, the wider like adoption of cryptocurrency. That was what delayed our altcoin season as well. Historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominance bottoms. May 2018, same thing happened. May 2021, like virtually in every market cycle, that was what has happened. But reverse was the case in this current market cycle. But to be on the safer side, because we have a breaker here, to be on the safer side, I would advise you guys to start taking massive profit by the time the BTC dominance retraces to around 47% level. Take at least 70 to 80% profit off your altcoins holdings, and then hold the rest until we get a rejection to around the 40% level or 41% level to maximize your profit. Sooner or later, this retracement we are currently having on the BTC dominance, I'm expecting this retracement to continue and then maybe get a reversal bounce around 64.98%, and then tap into this previous support zone as a resistance zone, get another sell-off all the way to 64.5%. So 64.5% is an area I'm watching for the short term for the BTC dominance to retrace to. And if that retracement is happening, then altcoins are going to like get a relief rally. Now, this is how it works. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. And the moment you see the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to like have a relief rally. So that's just it. And if the BTC dominance is pumping to the upside and the BTC price is pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed hard, like seriously. Now, BTC on the 1 hour time frame, we have a clear and obvious, very, very crystal clear point of interest here between the price of $106,300 and $105,355. So that zone is a very, very, very significant zone on the price of BTC. But first, we need to like sweep this liquidity around $107,289. The moment we are successfully sweeping that liquidity, then easily expect to set your limit order either on the futures market or on the spot market around this level, $106,291 and also $105,355 respectively on the price of BTC. The Telegram group will be in the description of this video. I'm likely to like drop the signal of this BTC chart as well in the group, so feel free to join. This is the orders chart on the weekly time frame, and if you're paying attention, this orders chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the last time we formed a pattern like this, we broke out of it and then got a massive send to the upside. The same pattern I've formed, we've broken out of it, flipped it into a support just like we did like several months ago. The next moonshot on the orders chart is likely to align with altcoin season, which is going to be more monstrous than the previous moonshot we got after flipping this trend line to a support. We got a massive rally previously, 5 weeks rally to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the altcoin market, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Now, imagine what would then happen when we get another massive send from here and is aligning with the altcoin season index and also aligning with the BTC dominance retracement. Then it's going to definitely be very, very monstrous. Now, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently seated at 73%. Yesterday was great, 66%. Last week, 66% great. Last month was neutral, 52%. So, in a full-blown altcoin season, we can consistently sit on this grid zone and extreme grid zone for weeks and even months. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Peace out.